exposing the secret to maximizing your travel rewards. Curious? Let's get started. Did you know that selling your airline miles at the right time can boost your earnings? Let's break it down. During peak seasons like summer and holidays, the demand for flights skyrockets, leading to higher ticket prices. This is when your miles are worth the most. Here's a tip: book your trips early to avoid inflated prices and get the most value for your miles. Trust us, your wallet will thank you. Now, let's talk off-peak seasons. These times offer fewer crowds and cheaper flights, making it a prime time to travel. Peaceful beaches and lower costs? Yes, please. Timing is everything. Sell your miles during peak seasons when demand is high for the best offers. It's all about playing the market. Speaking of markets, keep an eye on those rates. Sell when rates are high to maximize your earnings. It's like playing the stock market, but for travel. Don't let unused miles go to waste. Turn them into cash and fund your next vacation. It's a win-win. Ready to make the most out of your travel rewards? Sell your miles with sellmemiles.com and start your next adventure today.